Okay, are we on?
We're on.
All right, this is, as you know, this is my new pontoon boat, and this is just a stick with a propeller on it that you hook a drill onto the other end. Well, I was a little worried about when I rigged this thing up so that I could use it from the seat, but I was a little worried about coming over and hitting a pontoon. So I went into my laser computer and I designed this little shield so that if it comes over one way or the other, the propeller won't hit the pontoon. If I get out somewhere in the grass, it may get some grass hung up in it, but we'll see. I haven't had any problem, but this is a maiden voyage with it, so this is the first time out.
So then that thing doesn't come with that white ring. That's what you made.
It doesn't come with this ring. I designed this, and I attached it, put it together, so that the propeller spins within this shield, so that when it comes over, it won't hit in. The propeller won't hit into the pontoon and sink me. So once we get this unloaded, I put this on a bungee so that I can go up and down with it. But once I get it into the water, I may just go ahead and drop it all the way down. But since this is a maiden voyage with it, we're just trying it out to see how it works. Now, once we get the boat unloaded, I'll show you what I did on the other end with the drill. I still have a little work to do with it, but I bought a big cobalt drill, a half-inch drill to run it, and it's battery charged, battery operated. So, and I've got extra batteries. So, once we get it unloaded, we'll fire the camera back up and show you a little bit more on the other end. Here's the way I've got this rigged up. I can reach down here. I can reach down here, pull this, and can you see the propeller?
Yeah, I can see it.
I've got a little cruise control design in my mind.
The anchor was kind of in the way. Can you spin that again? Oh, there you go. Good.
So you can see how. Then I've got this so that if it drops over one way or the other, it won't go down in the water. So, and I've got it rigged underneath here. I've got it set up so that it swivels. I've got a couple of rings on here with hose clamps, and I've got it set up so that it swivels. Yep, for direction. So, well, that's how it's set up. We'll see how it works.
We'll get in the water here in a few minutes and take another video. We had to make some little adjustments. Had to take that back bungee off. Oh boy, now he's motoring. That back bungee that you guys saw caused it not to go down into the water enough, so we had to take that green bungee that you saw before. We had to take that off. Now it appears Dad's having a battery issue. We'll get back to you. So there's Dad. Unfortunately, his batteries, he forgot to charge all of his batteries, so he's back to rowing. But we're having a good time, both catching a few fish. They're small ones, but we're catching a few.
Hey folks, we just got back. We don't have the truck unloaded yet, and this is my unit. I took it off. It works, but it doesn't work as well as I thought it would. So I'm going to do some revisions. I'm going to make it where it's stationary, where it doesn't move at all. It's stationary, and then I've got kayak paddles. I'll have a kayak paddle to navigate with. So this will be pushing in a straight line from now on. And of course, this is how it works. When I hook the drill up to it, I can set the drill at whatever speed I want. And once I get this reset up and get it stationary, I think then I can do my navigation with the kayak paddle. I think it'll work a lot better. I'm not going to have it underneath. I'm going to have it beside me, so the drill motor will actually be up beside me, so I'll have better control of it. But I'm not unhappy with it, and it worked. And it was just so hard to control, simply because it was up and down and back and forth. It was really difficult to control it. It was a lot of fun, but it was difficult to control.
Well, I know you had problems with your batteries draining too because you didn't.
Yeah, I didn't have my batteries fully charged like I should have. And I don't know if it was the batteries or if it was the drill. But I'll know more next time. But all of my batteries, I've got 5 batteries, and they'll all be fully charged for next week. So we'll try again and keep building and rebuilding until we get this thing where it works the way I want it. But truthfully, I used it 4 or 5 hours today just with the oars, caught a few fish, and it works great just with the oars. But to tell you the truth, 5 hours on the water using the oars really kind of tired me out. I feel kind of drained, but I'll bounce back and we'll try it again this week. So that's my senior moment results for this week.